Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Devyani Sonwane and thank you all of you. We are the family of 1K. So warm hugs. And still, if you are new here, subscribe below. It will really mean a lot to me. Okay, so you notice something different? Background, right? So yes, today's video is about aesthetic background which is affordable. So I downloaded pictures from this site. I will mention the screen in the description box below for you guys. So they have really pretty amazing pictures on their website and the quality is also really nice. So all of these pictures I downloaded from their site. Some of it are mine which I clicked from my phone. So I will insert a clip. I will demonstrate you guys that how I downloaded pictures from their website, so it will be easy for you guys. Also I printed these pictures online and they came in like 3 or 4 days. So yeah, I will also mention their link in the description box below for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the website unsplash.com and how it looks. They have like varieties of photos with really good quality. So here I'm gonna search. You could search like whatever you need. I mean whatever your theme will be. So I wanted to like autumn theme. So this picture I included in my photos. Look how beautiful pictures are these. So here you just get the download option. You simply click on it and your photo will be downloaded. So yeah, it's that simple. And if you want my pictures which I downloaded, so I'm gonna leave the link for my pictures and you can download it from there also, or you can simply download it from this site. Like I included snow pictures as well. Look at these. So beautiful, right? Also I included a lot of sea pictures. So yeah, this is how you do it and it will be directly downloaded to your gallery. So yeah, let's now go to how I print those pictures online. So this is the website for printing photos online, Canvas Jam. And here are the rates, and it is depends on a size, what kind of size you want. So my size was 12 to 8, this one 12 to 8, and I'm gonna start order. Here you just first select size. From here select size and here you get the option landscape and portrait. So I wanted it to be portrait and my size was this 12 to 8. Then upload images. Here you get the option upload. Here I can see the pictures that I downloaded. So let's go with this one. So it's 1.77 MB. Okay, so always check because here, as you can see, the picture is cut, so I'm gonna edit it and make this one to center. And you can also zoom in or zoom out, but I don't want to zoom in or zoom out. I'll just drag it to center, and yeah, that's it. And I edited it, and as you can see, it's in the center right now. And you can upload up to 50 pictures in one go. So I uploaded 50 pictures. For this wall I needed 50 pictures. So also here we can select border. So I didn't wanted any border, I wanted a whole picture, so I didn't select any border. And also here last option is the paper option. Okay, so for paper option, here you can see standard paper and premium paper quality. And paper type, I wanted it to be matte, so I selected it as a matte option. So if you select the premium paper, your cost goes to 25.54 for one print. So actually I went with the standard paper, so for me it was a 21.28 rupees. So add to cart. So you can upload multiple pictures. I have just added one to show you guys. So yeah, next thing you know, you just have to check out the cart, and you also have a cash on delivery option. So yeah, these are 50 prints. I just laid it out on my bed, and we just divided them into 10 photos each. So these are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And we also color coordinated it, so it will be not like difficult for us to find them there. So yes.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You come into my life, let me if you want tonight.
So this picture I took, this one and this one also, and this, and remaining are I downloaded from the site, which is available in the description box. So yeah, this is how it turned out. You guys, I must tell you, this looks really cool. I mean, I just don't have words for this. This is like beyond words. So thank you for watching, you guys. If this video is helpful to you, please like, comment and subscribe below. It will really mean a lot to me. And again, thank you for 1k subscribers. It was the best birthday gift ever. 29th September was my birthday, and I completed 1000 subscribers. It was a really amazing birthday gift I ever had. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys. It really means a lot to me. And also I wanted to thank Namrata Rajput. She is my college friend, and in my last video I mentioned that we are close to 1000 subscribers. So as a birthday present, she did like a really amazing thing for me. So she forwarded my YouTube link to everybody she knows and make sure that they will subscribe. So thank you, Namrata Rajput. I love you so much, and this was like really special. You did that for me. I mean, I am speechless, and it was precious. So thank you. So bye. See you in the next video.